Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking a repeatable stance and grip. This sets the whole throw. Stand with feet shoulder width and take a half step forward with your lead foot so your body faces the board at a slight angle. Grip the dart with 2 to 3 fingers, keeping the wrist relaxed. This prevents tension that ruins release. Align your shoulder, elbow and the dart tip toward the target so your arm moves on a single plane. Once done, keep breathing steady and prepare for a smooth drawback. You now focus on the middle of the motion, the draw and release. Pull the dart straight back to roughly eye level while keeping the elbow steady so the forearm does most of the movement. This reduces lateral error. Pause a fraction of a second, about 2 to 5 tenths, so you can sight the target. Then accelerate through the release. Flick the wrist and let the fingers open rather than push, because a clean snap produces consistent spin and trajectory. Practice tempo to find the natural rhythm that repeats reliably. You finish by holding your follow-through and making small, systematic adjustments. After release, keep your arm pointing at the target for 1 to 2 seconds so you can assess flight. This reveals whether you released early, late, or off-angle. If grouping drifts, alter one variable at a time: grip pressure, aim point, or release timing. Troubleshoot quickly. If darts curve inward, your wrist likely closed. If they push outward, your elbow moved forward. Make micro changes and repeat until throws converge consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.